ongoing discussions regarding bot versus human is forever ongoing, and it will be. Currently, my view is the biggest challenge on bots is a lot of the bots run on if statements. So if you've got a general query, something that's asked frequently, you're fortunate, and the chances that your question will be resolved is quite you'll get an answer quite quickly. If you've got something out of the ordinary, you'll probably go around in circles for a while with this bot, get very frustrated until you eventually end up with a human that can hopefully solve your query. We're busy working on a project internally where we've actually plugged ChatGPT into our knowledge base, into our training manuals, and into our system, running queries from there. You get a lot more personalized answers, very accurate, and it actually is working really well. So this is something we're looking at launching early next year to support customer service and the teams and on the website for merchants just needing to know more.